I don't want to spend too much time to clean the place. My name is Judy Lim. I'm actually the owner of this house. I've actually bought the house last year in September. I think should consider as a modern contemporary. I always like to have my own kind of concept, my own ideas. So I'll just tell Eldred my ideas. We worked very closely together and he actually helped me to pull out my ideas and actually enhance it. That's how I actually like to work with him. I guess the most impressive one should be this part, which is in my living room, because I want something simple, something that is easy to manage and nice. Well, I'm very happy because very importantly for house owner is actually the after-sales service. The responsive and responsible that they handle your requests and whatever you need to get opinion of, he's actually very good in this. Because I hate to do housework, so the first thing that comes to my mind is I don't want to spend too much time to clean the place. So I just want something simple, not too cluttered. So that's how I come up with this concept. Very, very important for a house owner is you must have somebody that is reliable, responsible and willing to advise you, and most importantly will not just make you spend and spend and spend. Because you won't know, along the way, you actually will have some issues here and there, and a lot of money is actually incurred during this period. He will try his ways and means to save money for me for some issues here and there. He actually oversees everything and I'm actually very happy with his service. That's how I actually would like to work with him for every project that I have.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.